If you're wondering how to use JungleScout's advanced search feature to find the best products to sell on Amazon, you're in the right place. In this quick JungleScout guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to leverage its advanced search capabilities. And by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to find profitable products in just a few clicks. JungleScout is a must-have tool for anyone serious about selling on Amazon. One of its most powerful features is the advanced search tool. It allows you to refine your search based on a variety of factors, helping you find products with high demand and low competition. Now, if you're new to this, you might be thinking it's overwhelming, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple and effective it can be. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access JungleScout for free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. This will give you a head start in your Amazon selling journey. Now, let's jump into it. When you first open the JungleScout app, you'll land on the product database, which houses the advanced search feature. The great thing about this tool is the filters it provides. First, you can narrow your search by categories like electronics, beauty, toys, or home goods. This helps you target the exact niche you're interested in. One of the most important filters is the monthly sales filter. This allows you to look at products that are actively selling. You can set a range from 100 to 50,000 sales per month, depending on how competitive or niche you want your product search to be. I recommend starting with a moderate range, like 500 to 5,000 sales per month, as this will show you products that have a good market but aren't saturated. Next, you can set a price filter. You'll likely want to focus on products that sell for a reasonable price to ensure profitability. For example, you can set the price range between $15 and $50. This ensures you're not wasting time with products that are too cheap or too expensive to make a decent margin. Then there's the review count and rating filters. This helps you filter out products that are overly competitive. If you're targeting products with less than 500 reviews, you'll find items that still have room to grow in the market. Additionally, you can use the rating filter to find products with higher ratings, which can indicate better quality items and higher customer satisfaction. Now let's talk about the BSR, or bestseller rank filter. This is another critical factor in finding profitable products. A lower BSR means the product is selling more often. You can set a range to focus on products with a strong sales velocity, typically between 1,000 and 10,000. This helps you find products that are in demand, yet not overrun with competition. You can also use the weight and size filters to further refine your results. For instance, if you're interested in products that are easy to ship or handle, you can specify light, small, or standard-sized items. This is especially important if you're trying to minimize shipping costs and maximize profit margins. Don't forget about the launch filter. If you're looking to get ahead of the game, this allows you to target newly launched products. This can help you spot upcoming trends and products that are just starting to gain traction but haven't yet become highly competitive. By combining these filters, you can zero in on the most profitable, low-competition products that match your business goals. And here's the best part. JungleScout doesn't just give you the tools to find products, it also provides you with data on estimated sales, revenue, and even the average number of reviews, helping you make data-driven decisions. Now that you understand how to use JungleScout's advanced search feature, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. You can start using JungleScout for free today with our exclusive extended trial and bonuses. This is a great way to take your Amazon selling game to the next level, so be sure to take advantage of it. In conclusion, JungleScout's advanced search feature is a game changer for finding high demand, low competition products. With the right filters, you'll be able to find profitable products in no time. If you're serious about growing your Amazon business, this tool is essential. Make sure to click the link below to get started today and see the power of JungleScout for yourself.